Hello and welcome to Tax Talk UK. We're going to have a little look at general data protection regulations. Before we do, if I could please ask you to take a moment to subscribe to our channel and to turn on the notifications. That way you'll easily be able to refer back to this information if you need to, as well as finding the other information that we have available and new content as it's uploaded. So back to GDPR. Data protection is about how you use the data that you come across during the course of your business and ensuring that your customers or clients can feel confident enough to trust you with giving you their data and what you're going to do with it. Data is about personal information and records, but also covers wider data such as CCTV. The Information Commissioner's Office, also known as the ICO, is the independent authority in the UK, set up in 1984 to uphold information rights and the use of information in the public interest. On the ICO website, the ICO described what is data protection. Data protection is the fair and proper use of information about people. It's part of the fundamental right to privacy, but on a more practical level, it's really about building trust between people and organisations. It's about treating people fairly and openly, recognising their right to have control over their own identity and their interactions with others, and striking a balance with the wider interests of society. It is also about removing unnecessary barriers to trade and cooperation. It exists in part because of international treaties for common standards that enable the free flow of data across the borders. The UK has been actively involved in developing these standards. Data protection is essential to innovation. Good practice in data protection is vital to ensure public trust in, engagement with, and support for innovative uses of data in both the public and private sectors. The UK data protection regime is set out in the DPA 2018 and the UK GDPR. United Kingdom General Data Protection Regulation, also known as UK GDPR, is the current law governing the processing of personal data in the UK. And this sets out the strict rules that apply in relation to personal data. Under the Data Protection 2018 Act, businesses or organisations that process personal data are required to pay a data protection fee unless they are exempt. And this is renewed on an annual basis. Every business will be different in terms of the personal data that they come across within their business operations and what they actually do with that data. You can find more about your responsibilities for your specific business use of personal data on the ICO website, and I shall pop the link in the description. Also on the ICO website, you'll find a self-assessment registration tool. And by simply answering some simple questions about your business operations and activities, as well as the data that you use and how you use it, the tool will help you to establish if you need to register and pay the data protection fee. So again, I shall put the link to that tool in the description so that you can find that. And I would just suggest that something that everyone does, just run through if you're not sure, to make sure that you register if you need to. Well, I hope this has been informative and helpful to you. And as I mentioned earlier, please do take a moment to subscribe to our channel, and good luck. Take care. Goodbye.